Hello friends, welcome to the lecture on Angular 4. This is the first lecture. Getting started with the Angular 4. Nowadays you can just call Angular 4 as AngularJS. So let us first start with the definition of AngularJS. What is AngularJS? AngularJS is basically a JavaScript framework. It is based on JavaScript. So you can say that AngularJS is a JavaScript framework. Basically, AngularJS is used to develop the single page web application. So, you can ask what is single page web application? In a single page web application, the starting page or file that will be loaded first time when you access any website will be loaded only one time. And after loading the first page, if you try to access the other link or the content on the page, then only required content will be updated without reloading the whole web page. Neither the URL changes nor the page refreshes. It dynamically updates the page without being noticed by the user. So you can, in single page application, you can say that uh, if you click on any link or try to access any link, then the content related to that link will be reflected on the page without reloading the whole page. Whole page will be static, but the content we are trying to access will only update without being noticed by the user. You will not notice any change in the URL. You will not notice the in the reload of the page. So to better understand this single page application, I have one example, live example you can see. So I have created on a small project, baby names. So this is a single page application. How this is a single page application, you can see here. Suppose these all are the records: name, meaning, religion, category. Here we can perform the action delete. So this is the first record, Arun, meaning Arun, the religion Hindu boy. If you click on delete, see, you can keep watching on the URL, keep watching on this refresh button. I am deleting this record. Nothing will refresh, only this Arun record will be deleted silently. Data deleted successfully. There is no change in the URL. There is no refreshment of the page. Suppose understand it in another way. You try to add the name A Arun. Write something meaning XYZ, anything meaning of the name. You can select the religion here. It is girl, boy, or both. So it is boy. You can say click add. If you click on the add, uh, record will be update inserted here without reloading the page, without refreshing the page, and you will see the added record. Notice carefully. I am clicking on the add button. So this is Arun is coming here, that we are added here currently. Arun meaning XYZ Hindu boy. Data inserted successfully. So thank you guys. In the next lecture we will learn about how to start running the Angular 4 application. What are the requirements for running the Angular application, developing the Angular 4 application? Thank you very much.